Indian diet does not have enough protein. You may have heard many health influencers say this, but is it true? I see people drinking protein shakes every day and they are not even exercising enough to need this kind of protein. More protein is not always better. In fact, excess protein that your body does not use, what happens to that? It gets converted to fat and it puts an extra load on your kidneys. Your body needs anywhere between 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per kg of your body weight and about 20% extra depending on how much and what kind of exercise you are doing. So if you weigh about 60 kilos, that's around 60 grams of protein in a day that you will need without exercise and more if you exercise. And yes, if you can get that easily from a balanced diet from natural foods that you use daily, this stays true unless you are a sportsman, bodybuilder, or a movie star with sky-high physical demands and goals. This is science. Now for perspective science. Many people argue that Indian vegetarian meals don't give you enough protein. But let's think about this. The same dal, roti, sabzi is what helped us grow tall, build muscle, and reach our full potential as adults. We have perfectly strong men and women who come from vegetarian families and who are at a strapping 5 feet 7 or even 6 feet tall. If protein was missing, how did that just happen? Proteins are counted as a tot. Apart from the protein sources themselves, even carbs carry a small amount of protein. And that is calculated to the total protein counts that you get in the day. And because our guts are familiar with these foods, the absorption from them is often higher. The body is an expert adapter. If you are a vegetarian and you consistently get 40 to 50 grams of protein a day, your body learns to use it effectively for muscle and daily activity. Add 40 to 60 minutes of regular exercise, and that's often enough. You do need protein, and with a little conscious planning, your home-cooked meals can give you enough protein. You need to add extra protein from other sources like protein powders only if you are exercising enough to meet that requirement. You can build and maintain muscle with better sleep, less stress, and regular workouts. It's really not that deep. If you are low on protein, your body will tell you. You just need to listen. For more information like this, please subscribe to our channel and comment on whatever information you may want to know or doubts or concerns that you might have.